Hi, I'm Asghar from Dubai. This is our new project, 2022 Land Cruiser Twin Turbo. It came full option with the audio system. Then now we are doing some audio upgrade for this. Here we are using the factory head unit only. So changing the head unit, it's not an easy thing. Then from the factory itself, it came with the JBL speakers. What we changed is to here is the JL Audio C5 component. I mean the tutor and mid-range. And in the door we are using the CDT 8-inch mid-bass. And the rear door, there is a JL Audio C5 two-way component, 6.5 inch. Tweeters are here. And the 8-inch subwoofer in the factory subwoofer place. It's soundproof and the CDT 8-inch subwoofer featured in the factory location. With soundproofing, and the amplifiers are here. This is the 5-channel amplifier with the DSP Audition. Then here is the 6-channel amplifier.